Michelle Emeka, there's the young. I was learned to be patient with myself and stumble a lot, made a mistake that haunted me for days. Sometimes weeks, but I also started to realize that growth doesn't come from being perfect. It's come from being real, from facing into hard parts of showing up anyway. There were small wins that no one else noticed. Waking up early even when didn't feel like it. Helping someone even when I was struggling myself. Choosing kindness when it's anger or being easier. Those were the things that shaped me. I remember a time when someone I knew was being treated unfairly. They were quiet, didn't speak up much, and others took advantage of that I was the one hurting then, but I also was doing anything to stop it. The peoples and experience in my life didn't make it perfect, but it helped it shape the values in life today. My father to help to guide me and to provide my financial. Life is always fair. It's not always easy. There are no days and doing the right things feel like a hardest choice.
Kana rin nagpagkain kay Lucy Anis pa ko na din kana na time bitaw kay isuro jud ko kay mangita ko para mawasan mo problema kanang matuglag view di man as it means mga tuglag view kana ra jud kanang maka-relax to kanang makuan din namin ng problems kay sa among yung family jud kay